Alright, these are my parts that I've used to make my smart light switches. Sonoff, you get it like that, in a box like this. Take it out of the box. It's like this. Obviously it's got the bottom section here on it. But don't need any of that, so take that off. Don't need that. And then you're left with your circuit board. So this is easy, it just works. You power from a socket into there, so a constant lav in there, and to whatever you want to power up once you've turned it on off the app, or you turned it on via this button. It has a button on here so you can turn it on. So that's how this works out the box. You don't need to program it or anything. That's also one of the reasons I went for the sonoff. Right, so I bought a few of those. I think I bought about 6 of these. Then I went and I bought 4 of these blanking plates for the light socket. And then I think these are £1 off eBay. This is about £3.50 off eBay. And I bought these because my lights are in the wall, and when you do this, it's a bit too chunky to fit in the unit in the wall. So I went ahead and bought that. So it all fits. This goes onto that. Also bought the this switch here. It's a momentary latch, so it doesn't latch. It just presses, so it just acts like this switch on here. And that was about £20, £50 or something off eBay as well. So what I did is found the centre, which these already have a centre punch in them. Drilled it out. Put these in. At first I bolted it down, but these ones I hot glued it, right? And this, obviously I wanted to fit in there, but as you can see it doesn't fit. So where I got around that was I cut this ground strap here and just put in a ground wire instead of that solid bar, and soldered it onto that end and that end. So when I put it in, it fits snug, and the wire just runs around here and back down. Then to turn it on and off, as I said, there's a button on the sonoff already, but I bypassed that button and just soldered a plus and a negative onto these two. That's all you need. And then obviously run it to your switch, and to keep the light on the switch constantly on, all I done was on here is that 3rd pin from the bottom, so that one there, 1, 2, 3, and the 2nd pin from the end here. So those two, I think that's plus, sorry, that's minus and that's plus over there. That will always keep the light on, the little LED ring on here. And obviously once you press that, it will act as the button on here and switching that relay, which will send the power through to whatever you want to power, and switch it again and it's off. And yeah, that's it. And obviously for the power, for the lights, you just wire up this one and that one. It's got positive and negative there. And for the actual switch itself, it's the 2 end ones there, that one and that one. Yeah, and that's it. So any more questions, let me know and I'll see if I can answer it for you. But yeah, that's it. And as I said, you can run it off the tablet, and you can run it off Alexa, what I've got just hanging there, and you can do it manually because Mrs. wasn't too enthusiastic about the tablets and stuff, so I had to that's the reason I put the button on there really.